Whoa.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Kankakee County in northeastern Illinois, Iroquois County in east central Illinois, Newton County in northwestern Indiana,
Again?
Southern Lake County in northwestern Indiana until 3:30 p.m.
Is this for
At
Eastern?
2:35 p.m., a line of
Attention.
severe thunderstorms was located near Lowell to St. Anthony, 9 miles east of Clinton, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind
And where
gusts.
the town or city says
Source,
will be
radar
impacted.
indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Watseka, Kentland, Milford, Morocco, Lake Village, Rose Lawn, Sheldon, Goodland, Brook, Cessna Park, Hopkins Park, Buckley, Shelby, Martinton, Stockland, Crescent City, Loda, Beaverville, Woodland, and Donovan. Including the following interstates: Interstate 57 between mile markers 264 and 273. Indiana Interstate 65 between mile markers 233 and 241. This includes US 41 Dragway. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA's weather radar.